Hello Vivekians, this is Sunana and I welcome you all again to our next class of Chapter 2 Civics, Diversity and Discrimination. These are the two pages that I am going to explain you today, and all the in-between question answers of these two pages will be provided to you on the school website. Let's take a quick recap. Yesterday we discussed about diversity, which means variety of something. Prejudice means जब हम किसी के लिए पहले से ही अपने मन में ओपिनियन बना लेते हैं without knowing them. And last, stereotype means predefined opinions को जो पहले से ही बन चुके हैं ओपिनियन उनको मान लेना. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर सब कहते हैं कि बॉयज़ आर स्ट्रॉन्ग, तो बस वो ही इमेज मन में बना लेना बिना ये जाने कि ये ओपिनियन सही है भी या नहीं. These are the topics that we will cover today. So let's start with discrimination, means भेदभाव करना. When we treat somebody differently or badly on the basis of our prejudice, or we can say that when we actually start reacting badly or differently on our ideas or prejudices is called discrimination. Students पहले के टाइम में people were categorized in different classes or groups depending on the jobs they performed. Those who performed jobs like garbage cleaning, making footwear, cutting hairs, etc. इन सब लोगों को लो क्लास में डाल दिया जाता था, and just because of this they were treated badly or they were discriminated, and they were called as deletes. They were not allowed to use the same well for drinking water. They were not allowed to visit same temple where upper class people go. And upper class people उन्हें dirty और untouchable भी मानते थे. And just because of this, low class people को कभी अपने आप को improve करने का मौका मिल ही नहीं पाता था. So there was a famous personality who did a great job to improve the status of the deletes. His name was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, as you can see in this picture. Next we have gender inequality. Students, when men and women treated badly or differently, तो उसे हम gender inequality कहते हैं. हमारी सोसाइटी में for a long period मेल्स को फीमेल से superior माना जाता था. Males were given more love and care at home than females. Females were not allowed to get education. To remove this inequality, government has taken some steps. For example, equal wages for equal work. पहले अगर कोई फीमेल जॉब करने के लिए बाहर जाती थी, then she was not given equal salary for the same work. But now step was taken to give equal salary for equal work to both men and women. Guys, girls were killed unborn और आफ्टर बर्थ. तो गवर्नमेंट ने एक कंपेन स्टार्ट की, डोंट किल गर्ल्स, एंड उन्हें बचाओ और पढ़ाओ. दैट कंपेन वॉज बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. लास्ट वी हैव इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी. Guys, we all have different types of talents, capability, on the basis of which we earn. हम कमाते हैं और nobody has equal income. So this is called economic inequality. But कुछ reasons की वजह से ये inequality हमारी country में बहुत बढ़ गई है, because कुछ लोगों को proper education नहीं मिल पाती और कुछ लोगों को proper opportunities नहीं मिल पाती. But our government has taken many steps to ensure कि सबको economic equality मिल पाए. So this is all for today, and tomorrow we will discuss fundamental rights against discrimination.